Good morning guys, it's Chris from daxtrader.co.uk and we're going to look at the Dax Technical Analysis for Friday, the 12th of December 2014. So for today, just starting to write out the report, and daily bias for today is bearish. We've got a couple of different support and resistance levels which I'll take a look at in a moment. I've got some interesting talking points that have come out for today. But essentially, if we look at what's happened today, we've gapped lower, fairly lower than from overnight Asian trading expectations in oil and all sorts of other areas that have impacted. And we gapped quite a way lower than closed last night. Have closed the gap within sort of an hour or so before making a new low for today, in between the S1 and the S2, I believe that is for today, before bouncing around about the 97 level and now shooting back up towards what looks to be the developing VPOC for today, or even the 24-hour rolling VPOC, VWAP should I say. So I'm still bearish. I was going to take a short actually somewhere around about this level, and I'm glad I haven't, because it probably would have been stopped out fairly soon. I've just had a trade stop out around about the 97.50, 97.55, somewhere around there. So I'm just going to wait for another entry to get back in on this one, I think. So from yesterday's trading, not really a huge amount in terms of pockets or opportunities to trade. I mean, at the moment, price seems to be looking at accelerating fairly quickly through this gap once again. So, and there was this, I guess, sort of lowish volume pocket around about there that we've just cut straight through. But we've already closed the gap, and that pocket's kind of invalidated, I suppose, because it's already been shut or already been moved through at least once. So from yesterday, the value area lows and the value area highs haven't really come into play, and they're kind of more to the upside today. So we've gapped lower, and the only way we're going to look at breaking these is if we then reverse our bias and look to the upside today, look bullish. But if we take out what's going to be the 98 level, I guess, that's when we're going to start testing, I think, some of these higher areas, and maybe go up and test yesterday's VPOC at 98.24 and 98.69, and even higher up here. I haven't used any of these resistance levels as part of the article I'm writing, simply because I've just looked at the more price action ones and the daily pivots. Okay, so let's take a look at the VWAP for today's trading as opposed to the rolling 24-hour VWAP. Now, it looks like at the moment price seems to be stalling. We've just gone through this little fib zone here from today's trading, and we've just taken out that 61.8 level, but a few wicks on the very, very small time frames, but it looks like maybe there's an opportunity to go short from right here, and I probably will be doing that in just a moment. The 34 EMA based on the hourly time frame is up here. I think if we trade below that, we are going to be bearish. The daily VWAP for today, for day's trading, we've just gone through, and that was at around about the 50 fib zone from this little swing. And again, I think if we break through that to the downside, I might look at then trading either a kiss goodbye on that. We'll wait and see. Wait and see how price action moves. I think for the moment, I'm going to be busy with the video. Okay, so pivot levels and support and resistance for today then. So the daily pivot's residing up here at 98.20. And what did we say about the moving average here? Not a million miles away from where that moving average is already. So I think it will be interesting to see if we can come up and test that daily pivot for a bounce further down. That could be also a good entry. The S1 we've already taken out this morning. That was at 97.34. So the next target on the pivot side of things will be the 96.59. I'm personally targeting 96.65 just to give me a bit of a buffer. We've got some historical support and resistance lines which I've drawn in here as well. And we'll get rid of that one, because that is the R2. 98.08. 98.59. couple of other areas as well, but specifically the 97 seems to be the supportive one at the moment, and if we break through 97, I think we could be looking to take out this 96.83, which was a previous area of support from going now quite way back. Can't scroll out far enough on this time frame. And if we then take that out, I think we're going to be heading down towards the 96.60, or around about the 96.60 zone. Okay, so quite a few of the markets are going to be down today. I mean, the FTSE has had an entire week, bearish week that's dropped a significant amount, 97.49 down to 93.79 within a week. So quite a big sell-off if we look on the weekly chart. If it decides to load, you'll see that that is a fairly significant candle. There's been a few that have happened similarly in the past, but the market has certainly been spooked a little bit, and that could be from a number of things, but certainly oil prices seem to be playing the major part now. And there's a few companies in the FTSE, which of course these lower oil prices are going to be certainly affecting their valuations and their profit expectations, should I say.
So
okay, so in terms of trading, you'll notice I had a signal that was posted up on my website.
The Eurozone Industrial Production Report
it's still on there. I've had to renew the signal, just simply because the signal itself was not being traded to any sort of specific trading
month-on-month IP expected at 0.2%. The previous reading was 0.6,
which
and the year-on-year
is going
expected
to be doing
0.7. The previous was 0.6%. Also looking out for the Eurozone employment numbers for the third quarter.
Will be a second signal which I'll
quarter previous 0.2, year-on-year previous 0.4%.
Whereas this will be for a mixture really of day trades and swing trades on both the DAX and forex pairs. But I'll keep you posted on that if that happens. But feel free to take a look at the signal if you wish, and just simply click on there and it'll take you to the details. I'm going to also start to produce now the tweets for trades that have been posted. I've been able to actually get that reposted now. I can actually get the details straight off FXCM into a mini trade update, and I can post that up on Twitter nice and quickly now, and I'll start to be able to post up these trades again on the website for anybody who's interested in tracking it. And that's pretty much it for today. So I am bearish. I'm just going to be looking for an opportunity to get short. That would have been the perfect opportunity, which unfortunately I've missed. So I'll look and see if there's another opportunity to do that. I'll be back hopefully a bit later on with another video, but good luck trading for the rest of the day.